Necrotic World, Season 6 Space, Episode 131, Doppler Effect, as in Doppler effect. Welcome strangers. My very easy method just speeds up nothing, or naming planets. That's a mnemonic for the order of the planets in our solar system. So my with a capital M, very with a capital V, easy with a capital E, method with a capital M, just with a capital J, S with a capital, speeds with a capital S, up with a capital U, nothing with a capital N, or naming planets with a capital N and then P. That's a mnemonic for the order of the planets in our solar system. Starting from the sun, branching out from the sun. So yeah, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Then once there was a Pluto, but now it's considered a dwarf planet as it is no longer on planet status. To qualify as a planet, one must have cleared the neighbourhood with its gravitational pull around the orbit and ain't a moon, so it can't be a moon. A dwarf planet is a small planet which has not quite finished its chores yet, as it doesn't have that strong of a pull to clear stuff out of its orbit. It has to orbit a star, so in a solar system these guys have to orbit our sun. As Hubble discovered the universe to be expanding, he plotted a graph for redshift of distant galaxies by the distance. A siren of an emergency vehicle seems to have a higher pitch when it is moving towards someone than when it is standing at a standstill. Frequency of waves has an apparent change on the back of the Doppler effect, which exists from the relative motion from the gap between the observer and the wave signal source. Frequency is how often a wave is thrumming, like how often the music is playing. And this is known musically as the pitch. Amplitude is the height of the wave, and this is known musically as loudness. When the source is moving towards the observer, the amplitude, so the loudness, is increasing, and the frequency, so the pitch, seems higher than normal standstill expectancy. Frequency, so pitch, seems lower than normal standstill expectancy, with the amplitude, so the loudness, decreasing, as the source signal siren is travelling away. Field theory is fascinating, as well as Einstein's theory of relativity. That's especially popped up as noteworthy in my mind. Please explore if you wish. See you next time at Physics in Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian, R out.